Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update K6 tests for APIs powering your data platform. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update K6 tests for your APIs, begin by reviewing your existing test scripts. Identify the changes in your API endpoints or payloads. Open your K6 test files in your preferred code editor. Locate the sections of the code that reference the old endpoints. Replace these old endpoints with the new ones provided by your updated API documentation. Next, review the data structures in your API responses. Adjust your tests to reflect any changes in these structures to ensure accurate results. If your API has new request headers or authentication methods, make sure to update these in your tests as well. Consider adding new test cases for any additional functionalities introduced in your API. Incorporate error handling to verify responses from the API under different scenarios. After making these updates, save your test files. Now, it's time to run your updated tests in the K6 environment. Monitor the output for any errors or discrepancies. If needed, iterate on your tests based on the results you observed. Once satisfied with your updates, consider integrating your tests into a continuous integration pipeline. This will help maintain the quality of your API as further changes occur. Finally, document the modifications made to your tests for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.